friends, welcome to the chili recipe. I am Dimpal Shah and today we are going to prepare one of my favorite recipe, Chinese lollipop. So let's have a look on an ingredients. Grated potato, corn flour, chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, chopped capsicum, chopped onions, Szechuan sauce, tomato ketchup, green chili paste, soya sauce, vinegar, spring onions, corn flour slurry, salt to taste, red chili sauce, black pepper powder, oil for deep frying, water as required. For preparing a Chinese lollipop, we have to prepare one dough. For making a dough, take one bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated potatoes, two tablespoons of chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, two teaspoons of chopped onions, salt to taste, and lastly add corn flour to it. We will add 3 teaspoons of the corn flour. Now we will prepare the dough with the hand only. You can also use extra corn flour if required. We are adding 2 more teaspoons of corn flour. Our dough is ready. We have to grease our hands with the oil. Now from this dough, we'll make the circle patties. Give proper circle shape and now dust it in the corn flour. Now put this in the oil. Similarly make other. It is golden brown now. So it is done. It is also done. We will take it out from the oil and switch off the gas. As it is lollipop, we will stick this stick in this cutlet. It is completed. Now we will make one sauce. Now we are preparing a sauce for the lollipop, and for this we are taking two tablespoons of tomato ketchup, three tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of spring onions, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of corn flour slurry. Now add some water. And give a nice mix. Now we will cook this slurry for 3 to 5 minutes on gas. Now let's start the gas. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in it. Now we are adding the slurry to the pan and we will continuously stir it. Until it gets thick. We will cook it properly until it gets thick. Now it is thick. Our sauce is ready. You can see that as our sauce is ready, now we will drip the sauce on this lollipop. Likewise, we will take other. Our Chinese lollipop is ready to serve, and you can enjoy it with the lollipop sauce or a Szechuan sauce or a ketchup. Thank you.